Hello everyone. Today I told you something to learn before. So I told you my kitchen set before I'm going to rebuild. Tell you. So let's see it.
Wow, you did?
Yes.
You arrange your kitchen set?
Yes.
Oh my god. Can you explain
It
me
is
one by
super
one?
fast. I did.
Oh, really? Yeah, can you tell me please?
Yeah. And I buy this from a Lulu fashion store. It's so nice, right?
Yeah, it's expensive, right?
It is 2000 like something.
200, I think 80, right? Dirhams.
Yeah, 280 dirhams are like something. I heard
280
it.
or 180?
Um,
I don't remember yet.
87.
87?
Yeah,
187 or 87?
87.
Okay. Okay, can you explain please?
Yeah, I can explain.
What do you have in this kitchen set?
I have carrot, omelette pan, chicken.
Okay.
I have a chicken. See,
Oh.
cuckoo. And I have a cabbage near the chicken.
Oh, yeah.
And teacups, 2 teacups. I have 2 teacups, 1 and 2.
Oh, and you have cooking bowl.
Yeah, cooking bowl.
Oh,
Nothing inside.
okay. And here is omelette. Can
Yeah.
you show me?
Yummy.
And then you have plates.
Yeah, I have plates. They're inside hiding.
What is this?
Bottles of ketchup and pepper and salt.
Oh. And here there is washing.
Yeah, and there is a carrot. I'm washing her that now. So I'm washing her now.
Oh, this is washing. Very good.
Did you see Elsa on her hair telling?
Yeah. Frozen.
It's telling Disney Frozen.
Yeah.
Froze and Frozen. Disney Frozen.
Yeah.
Last time I make it so cute.
It will light on also, right? Yeah.
Look at that. Boop, 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 boop. Wow. Eater. Wow. Look at me. I'm so proud of my kitchen set.
Oh, you're so proud of your kitchen set. Yes, of course.
It would say, I don't know this boy I tell you before.
Yeah.
We know only these boys, Elsa and Anna.
Yeah.
We don't know this boy.
Okay.
This brown wearing boy.
Oh, wherever you go, you can carry your kitchen set, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
We can carry it.
okay.
And put this all back. And we're going to walk like this. Walk, 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 walk.
Very cute. Say subscribe.
Please subscribe and like and comment down below. And
Share.
share. Like this you and you had to please subscribe.